A mission statement to me is when a company provides their goals, their visions, their clear objectives.
It gives like a clear direction of where the company should be heading and what the employees should be doing and why.
Mission statement's important for the company so everyone can get on the same page.
Having a mission statement connects all the people together.
Everyone's working towards the same goal.
The mission statement is a North Star.
It's the DNA of the company.
It captures the essence of the organization.
Our mission is unique because it has a mission statement, and it has two other elements. It has the winning values as well as the personal commitments.
The personal commitment is everything you want out of a product.
Safety, quality, positivity, and trust.
I don't think without the clear mission statement that we'd have the same quality product as we do now.
When we look at new strategic paths for the business, we look at how does this align with that mission and vision.
Quality is number one, always.
The stuff we make is of very high quality, and it would take longer to get there without a focus.
We may face obstacles from day to day. A mission statement will help guide us through that.
The winning values definitely define everything that you want out of the team, your company, and your work environment as a whole.
Drive for results, customer focus, continuous improvement, and teamwork.
If you don't have that drive for results, I don't think we'll end up anywhere.
It is my goal to better enhance not just on the production side, but also our employees.
Arrow wants to utilize their people and help them grow.
It's easy to understand numbers, but understanding behavior and understanding how we do our jobs is really what the mission statement deals with more.
First, we have to start with the individual, then work on getting everybody on the same page.
It starts at the top with the executive level. They're exemplifying the mission statement day in, day out, and it resonates down through each employee.
I think we can start by handling a good communication.
Teamwork enhances relationships in the company.
You get different perspective, different ideas, different creativity. So it's awesome.
It starts with the culture, the character, personality, and how we engage and interactions with the customers.
We cultivate and nurture the culture not only here, but outside. I think we bring our culture to our customers.
Everything is towards the customer. The appearance, the functionality, we do it better every day because the customer has to be satisfied.
We are all here to make the commitment to better serve our customers.
Whether it's, a working professional, a homeowner, we want to make sure that they're equipped with the tools to do their job.
We should be asking simple questions such as, should we focus on our products? Should we focus on our customers? Should we focus on our employees? And we should be focusing in all of them. And our mission statement includes all of them and the values.
To manufacture
and distribute
high quality
tools
and be the leading player
in the categories
we serve.
Embrace innovation,
Continuous improvement.
And teamwork
To create growth opportunities.
Enhance customer experience
and strengthen
our brands.